Hello, what's up guys, Akhilesh here with a new YouTube video, and I'm going to show you guys how to unlock your Lenovo K6 Power and install TWRP Recovery today. So I'm just going to open my device and then go to settings, scroll down to developer, about phone, and then you'll find a partition called build number. Tap on that 7 times. I've already done that, so it's saying I don't need to do that. So just go back, you'll find the developer options tab, go inside and hit OEM unlocking, toggle that on, and also USB debugging, switch that on too guys. And then after that, what you do is just connect your USB cable. So I'll just grab my USB cable. Here's my USB cable, and then just plug it in. This gives me some information over here and saying that USB debugging ADB is enabled, and let's proceed guys. And even my computer has recognized Lenovo K6 Power. So first of all, go to this link. I'll link it down below, forumxd.com/K6power. And inside, wait for it to load guys. So guys, you need a couple of packages that are linked down below. You have to download them to make the bootloader unlock possible. So here we have entered our K6 Power forum on XDA. Internet's damn slow guys, so just bear with me. So here you're going to find a link called Unlocking and Locking Bootloader under Guides News Discussion. You just hit that, open a new tab. I'm just going to zoom in for you guys to see better. So just wait for it to load. And here's the thread guys. I'm going to state what you all need on laptop or PC: ADB drivers, TWRP recovery, and some patience of course. Without patience you're not going anywhere guys. So now for unlocking your bootloader, you need to install ADB drivers that I linked down below. Just install them as a normal exe file. Then go to settings of phone, the thing that we just did. Scroll down and go to about phone and click on build number until your developer options is enabled. Now go to developer options and turn on USB debugging and OEM unlocking that I just showed you guys, and connect your mobile through your USB cable to the PC. Open ADB folder in a PC. So I've downloaded over here on top right corner. We'll just go into it. Here we have a CMD here file. Let's open it. And now we're going to hit ADB devices. So that's the command, and it's going to recognize your device as a serial number and what type of device it is. So it's just a normal device, so it just says that. And now what you're going to do is reboot into the bootloader. ADB reboot bootloader. So that's it. And the device is now going to reboot into the bootloader. Let's see over here. See, fastboot mode. Fastboot mode. And what you're going to do now is type in fastboot devices to check if it is recognized in fastboot mode. So yeah, you can see here the serial number is same as the ADB serial number, and then it's saying that it's in fastboot mode. Now what we're going to do is that unlock the bootloader by using the command given over here. See over here, fastboot-i, the USB code, and OEM unlock go. So I'm just going to copy that, hit Ctrl C, right click over here. I'm just gonna hit enter. It's just saying waiting for any device. You have to wait for some time for it to recognize, and if it doesn't unlock your bootloader, then you're pretty much gonna have to change the USB cable, and I think I may have to change my USB cable over here, so just bear with me. I'm gonna go offline first. So I think I figured out the problem. I'm just gonna try once more again. and it just accepted that command. I think the bootloader is unlocked and device just rebooted. I'll show you guys. Yeah, I think that did the trick, guys. Sometimes you have USB cable problems, so always use the USB cable that comes with your device to avoid any such problems. It's going to take some time. I'm going to get back to you guys when it's done. So welcome back, guys, and the device has completely reset, as you can see over here. And let's just get started. I'm going to go into the device. To enable USB debugging again. And let me just get this done. It's going to take some time waiting for it. We're gonna skip all of this. And the device has been completely wiped. So you're going to go into settings. You don't have any developer options here, so you have to go to about phone again. And then tap on build number 7 times. Go back into developer options, and it's already number. Go to USB debugging, hit OK. Yes, just going to connect the USB cable again. We just connected the USB cable over here. Next, what we're going to do is it's going to ask again authorize USB debugging. I'm going to do that. Okay. So that just authorized the device. What I'm going to do is try this. Down here. I'm going to hit ADB devices. And that should show our device. And bingo, there it is. Now I'm going to reboot into the bootloader again to install TWRP. So just hit enter and wait for it to boot into. It's in fast mode, yeah. So passport mode. And then download a disk image file. The TWRP image, TWRP 3.2.1-0 karate. Karate is our device's code name. I'm gonna just drag and drop it into our minimal ADB in passport folder. Go in, and you can see over here that the disk image file is found. I'm gonna rename it to recovery and hit enter. No recovery.img or anything, that's an extension. Go back over here. I'm going to verify the command once again. So yeah, fastboot -i /recovery.img. So I'm going to just hit fastboot devices. It's recognizing. I'm going to hit fastboot recovery.img. My spelling mistakes. Really not. And then hit enter. It's just gonna flash the recovery, and it's just said okay. And what you're gonna do is fast boot reboot the device. It's gonna reboot. You can see over here rebooting. Let that reboot. One more thing guys, and once you hit that command, this one I'll just show you guys over here. Over here, fastboot / recovery.img, and you're gonna hit fastboot reboot, right? You have to hold the power and the volume up as soon as you hit this command, fastboot reboot. So that's what's that going to do is that it's going to directly reboot into TWRP recovery, but not the Android OS. The problem is that if you boot into Android OS without rebooting into TWRP first, your Lenovo stock OS is going to basically replace TWRP recovery, and you have to flash it again and directly boot into TWRP recovery. So what you have to do is that first flash the recovery to your fastboot and hit fastboot reboot, and then hold your volume up and the power button simultaneously so that you can reboot into your recovery directly, and that will get your TWRP firmly installed. So welcome back guys, and we are back into TWRP recovery. Just click never show this and swipe to allow modifications. Go to wipe. If you want, you can wipe the current OS, and I'm going to show you how to install Lineage OS 15.1, that is Android Oreo on your K6 Power, in the next video. So thanks guys for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.